Konnichiwa, this is Maria Erlindana and you're watching Anime Plus.
Moshi moshi.
Hi guys, welcome back for another video, and as you can see in the title, this is a mini vlog. So my Monday started off with me like getting a bunch of drinks and giving pins for my friends. Tapos nagpicture ako, tapos ayan yung sunset. Tapos ng Tuesday naman nag-volleyball kami. And as you can see, we are like training kasi this is yung sakop ng volleyball namin. And of course, after that, nag-Harris Place ako, well-deserved naman. And as you can see, I am drinking the sparkling soda. And napakasarap nito guys, promise. Actually, this is like a mixture of two different flavors and I'm really happy kasi nagagawa ko siyang halu-haluin and nag-iiba yung kulay niya. Makikita niyo naman sa reaction ko. And dito lang yan sa Harris Place, you guys. And ayun, talagang really happy, worth it after all the pagod na nangyari ng volleyball namin. After taking a sip, this is me doing my little happy dance.
Hi guys! Naka-video siya. Uwian na kami! Yay! Charis! Jessa!
Tinakpan ko muna ng teddy bear si Jessa kasi hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa niya. Siyempre, before kami mag-uwian, naglasing muna kami. Tapos nakikita niyo dito si Carla na nagsha-Shopee. Shout out Carla. Plano pa nga namin dito tatawagin siya ni Ate Hope pero nakita niya yung video. So, hindi siya natuloy. Pero yun, this is us listening to Ate Hope's report, ganyan. Tinakpan ko na din si EJ sa likod para for privacy. Tapos, ayun. After some break, bumaba ako sa canteen to like buy yung mga product na nibenta ng ating mga CMPT sa baba. And one of my favorites is itong malunggay sweets na gawa sa malunggay, natural. And it's really, really good. And nakikita nyo naman ako dito na bumili ulit. Kahit meron pa akong box before. I mean, umorder na ako ng isang box. So, ayun, picture, ganyan.
Ate, baka nakita ko dyan lang.
After that, nag-ikot-ikot pa kami. And guess what, guys? Nakahanap ako ng yema na gawa sa carrots. Like, grabe. It was really, really good as well din. Kaya bumili ako 2 pack na agad. And super sarap niya, guys. So, you should try it and buy it for yourself.
Ay! Sayang! Sayang!
Akala ko talaga buy one take one eh. Anyway, ayun, bukod sa yema carrots, meron din kaming nakitang cassava shoelace. Shoelace? Hindi ko maalala yung name, pero masarap din siya. Para siyang fries. Pero hindi siya fries, you know, alam nyo ba? Tapos, meron akong order nito na hindi ko pa nakukuha. So, shout out po, pasensya na. Kukunin ko po dyan bukas. And, ayun po, masarap siya. And, kunin ko siya, promise. Okay, so I just watched when Marnie was there.
Sobrang OA mo talaga. Nakakainis ka. Sobrang OA mo. Iiyak-iyak ka pa talaga dyan.
Cry, my mom was like angry at me. Umiiyak. Nung in-edit ko sa medyo nakikringe ako, pero eto na yun eh. Anyway, maganda talaga siya guys. Promise, panoodin nyo.
Carla!
So, mga nakikita nyong face dyan ay yung mga kaklase ko and they give consent na isama ko sila sa video. And this is me, nagaganda-gandahan kahit may kulabo sa ulo, sabi nga nila. And yun. The rest of the day ay nakatanggap lang kami ng mga papers namin through our quizzes. Tapos, isa itong poem na to talaga na nagpahirap sa amin. These are the pictures that I took during those during that week. Tapos, ayan, may takip ulit ng pusa because I didn't ask for the permission to post this. Pero, ayun, hello Ate Vicky siya kasi nagbigay siya ng permission. I also auditioned sa Sakap, isang theater club sa campus, and wish me luck you guys. I'm really excited. Gusto ko kasi talagang sumali even before bago pa mag-COVID. So, ayun. Tune out. Watch out for the next episode or like video and para malaman nyo kung nakapasa ba or hindi. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. See ya!